song. This is our blasphemy warning song. It isn't very long. Hey. We call this song Odin's Sons. The All-Father's kid are strong, a handsome family tree. With Norse gods I like my odds, for Odin's sons love me. You know the mighty Thor, god of thunder he. His hammer's head rests in my bed, for Odin's sons love me. Volley is a fan of knots, just as poor Loki. Joy he found when I was bound, for Odin's sons love me. Vidar, he does like it rough, Fenrir would agree. He'll wreck that smile, doggy style, for Odin's sons love me. Balder, he be wise and fair, with stamina to please. When he finally comes, we'll all be done, and Odin's sons love me. So bring on the Viking horde, let the meat flow